Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Windows 11 look like macOS without using any third-party apps. If you love the sleek look of macOS but prefer using Windows, this tutorial is perfect for you. Let's get started. First, we need to change the wallpaper to something more like Mac-like. Open your browser and search for macOS wallpaper. Choose your favorite one and download it. Simply download whichever you prefer. Next, let's customize it. Right click on your desktop and click on personalize. Now click on background and click on browse. Then locate the wallpaper you just downloaded and set it as a background. And your desktop will already look a bit more like macOS. Now, let's customize the taskbar to give it that Mac dock feel. Right click on the taskbar and select taskbar settings. First, toggle off widgets and chat to declutter the taskbar. Then scroll down and click on task behavior. Set the taskbar alignment to center. This will move all your icons to the middle, similar to the Mac OS. Now let's remove the default icons and add your own. Right click on each unwanted icon and select Unpin from taskbar. For example, like this. Next, open the Start menu and find the apps you want on your taskbar. Then right click on it and select Pin. For example, I'm going to be showing you this one like this. Now, great. The taskbar is starting to look more like the Mac dock. Now, let's change the cursor to the Mac OS style. Go ahead on your browser and search for Mac OS cursor for Windows. Now you can download a cursor pack that you like and extract the files from the downloaded zip folder. Open settings, then go to devices, then on mouse and click on additional mouse options. In the mouse properties windows, go to the pointers tab, click on each cursor type, then browse and select the corresponding cursor from the download pack. Once done, click apply and then OK. And just like that, we have a macOS like cursor. Now let's change the icons to match a macOS. Search for macOS icons for Windows and download a pack you like. Extract the icon from the zip folder, right click on a desktop shortcut, then select properties and then change icon. Browse to the folder where you extracted the icons and select the one you want. Click OK, then apply. Repeat this for all your desktop icons for a cohesive look. For a final touch, let's make the File Explorer look clean. Open File Explorer and go to View. Then select Compact Menu or Compact View. And that's it. You have a Windows 11 desktop that looks and feels a lot like macOS, and the best part is you did it without any third-party apps. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.